The purpose of this video is to address the most common discrepancy trends regarding the travel claim packages submitted to Marfarez IPAC. 1351 Tag 2 Travel Voucher, MROS orders and modifications, reporting and detaching endorsements, transportation to your TAD site, transportation while at your TAD site, lodging during TAD, and miscellaneous receipts. We will briefly go over each area and address the common discrepancies. Block 1. Per Mar Admin 216/13. A mandatory split disbursement must be annotated in this block. If left blank, Finance will automatically split disburse the monetary amount to you and not to your government travel charge card. Annotate the appropriate amount you would like to be paid on your card. If no amount is needed to be paid, input $0.00. Block 4. Until further notice, full Social Security numbers need to be inputted in this block vice the service member's electronic data interchange personal identifier number, also known as EDI-PI. Block 15A. These dates cannot start before the effective date of MROS orders. If the service member travels a day prior to the orders, then a modification of the orders must accompany the package for proper reimbursement. Block 15B. The locations must tell a story of the service member's travel. All stops to include airports, TAD sites, and leave locations must be annotated. Block 15C and D. Modes of travel must match each stop. Reference the second page of the 1351 Tech 2 for assistance. Also, in this block, the TD code must match the dates and location of the service member's orders. Block 16. If you drove your personal auto and annotated it anywhere in Block 15, you must check Owner/Operate to claim mileage expenses from Block 15E. Block 17. Annotate the correct duration of orders. Block 18. All expenses must be annotated here, with the exception of food. This includes rental transportation, lodging, taxes, taxi, tolls, etc. Orders. When submitting orders with the claim, the receiving endorsement must be completely filled in, meaning there must be a signature from the service member dated with the time. Now, this date cannot be before the authenticated date of the orders or the start date of the orders. Reporting and detaching endorsement. In paragraph 1 of the orders, it will state that the orders are reporting or non-reporting. If non-reporting, then no reporting or detaching endorsement is needed. If the orders state that they are reporting orders, then a reporting and detaching endorsement from the TAD site must be attached. This document must have a unit header. Ensure that the unit name is the same on the orders and that the dates match. Transportation to TAD site. For most travel, the unit will set up the transportation to the TAD site for the service member. However, if the service member bought their own ticket, then a copy of the receipt must be attached to the package. The receipt must have the dates and costs along with the location as annotated on the orders. If they are IDT in active duty training orders and Revenel locked on the transportation, then a copy of the expense receipt from Revenel must be attached to the package. Transportation while at TAD site. All transportation expenses while TAD must have a zero balance receipt. This includes mainly rental cars. The rental car receipt vehicle type must match the orders authorized. If the receipt reflects anything else, then Finance will reject the claim. Lodging. All receipts must reflect a balance due of 0, no exceptions. Miscellaneous receipts. All other receipts not mentioned above must be legible, clear, with the exact expense claimed in Block 18 with cost. Another note to add is that any foreign TAD travel must include a copy of the currency conversion from the OANDA website. This concludes the Common Discrepancy Trends video regarding travel claim packages submitted to the Marforez IPAC.